Mustang number 1, Bill's car that I'm gonna work on today. Got a nice little GT up here, convertible, Coyote swap with a Charger, which we'll take a quick look at as well. Uh-oh, I see a little Charger on there. Oh, that looks good, man. Whew. Don't worry about it, it's still in the works. That looks, yeah, so you've gone full retard. That looks nice, man. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul. Just on my way to my buddy's shop to go roll his rear quarters on his FOXBODY that he's been working on. Hopefully there's some good space for me to be able to move around and get it done. I'll see you guys when I get down there. Alright, this is my buddy Billy's car. It's ready to go, sitting on the hoist for me. Gonna roll his rear quarters. This has been a long build for him, so he's gonna get the car painted, so this is the best time to roll, just in case. I haven't cracked any paint or distorted any fenders, and knock on wood, so I want to keep that streak going. See what's going on inside. Oh yeah, still working on the porno red interior to go. I think he's keeping it. He's got his 4.6 Cobra motor sitting right here, ready to go in. The T56 is attached in there. He's got his cam members. He's got parts everywhere, man. Spindles, fuel. He's got some really nice parts on this car. Rear end is really nice, fully built. Let's see if I can get in there. Beautiful brakes. And that's where we're at. Now we're gonna take care of the quarters here. Little look of how the fender came out. it's kind of hard to see with it being black, but it's folded tight here. So that would have been the size of the lip before, and then when you move up here you can see I basically got it rolled flat. Alright, we got one side done, so gonna take this apart and move on to the next side. Alright, so I'm just setting up for the driver's side, and I know this side is going to be a challenge as far as not flaking the paint, because there's already so much loose paint. I'm going to try to zoom in here so you guys can see that. So as you start to roll, that's going to flake off from the friction and the heat. So try my best not to flake off too much, but it's going to be expected. Nothing we can do. Alright, I got the driver's side done, but as anticipated, got a little bit of flaking on the paint, but the lip got rolled really nice, so there's no distortion to the quarters. The quarters are in really good shape, so just needs to be touched underneath or prepped when the car gets painted. No biggie. Alright, just to wrap up this video, I got the quarters rolled. Took me a solid 4 hours plus to get it done. I went a little slower than usual. I was trying to control the flaking that was occurring on the lip as I rolled. Overall though, there was no distortion to the quarters. There was no paint crack to the quarters. Yes, there was a little bit of flaking to the lip itself, but that was expected, anticipated. But overall, the job came out good. I rolled them pretty tight, I would think. So I'm happy with it. Bill wasn't there, but I'm sure he'll be happy with it. And I hope you guys maybe saw something, you learned something from the video. It wasn't an instructional type of video. I just wanted to get the job done for him today, because it's going to paint. Otherwise, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching.